I am not a fan of store-bought cough syrup. It's disgusting to me. So I decided to make my own homemade cough syrup using all natural ingredients I picked up from my local market. This cough syrup is a great natural remedy to help boost my immune system. Let's get started. I grabbed some organic honey, a glass jar with a lid, a head of garlic, some fresh oregano and turmeric root, some fresh rosemary and ginger root, 1 lemon sliced, 1 red onion sliced, and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. I started by adding all the ingredients to the jar. I started with red onions. They are packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that help to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that can boost your immune system and relieve symptoms of cold and flu. Fresh oregano is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties which can help alleviate respiratory issues. I added turmeric root for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help relieve cough, congestion, and sore throat. I added 1 sliced lemon for the vitamin C because it can strengthen the immune system and help breaks up mucus in the throat and chest. Rosemary carries antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it useful in fighting respiratory infections. It can also help soothe throat irritation. Ginger root is known for its immune boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. It can alleviate cough, congestion, and sore throats. I added black peppercorns because they can help your body absorb the beneficial properties of the other ingredients, like the turmeric. I then added the entire bottle of honey. It's a natural cough suppressant and provides soothing relief for the throat, and just makes everything taste good. Lastly, I added some fresh cracked black pepper to make sure I help the absorption of the properties of that turmeric. The aromas from this smells amazing. I mixed all the ingredients together for about 1 minute before putting on the airtight lid. I set the jar on my tea bar for 24 hours so all the ingredients can settle together. 24 hours later, I could already see the consistency of the liquid changes to something more loose. My husband and I take tablespoons of this cough syrup every day to boost our immune systems. I like to add some to hot water or my tea in the morning. When I feel like I may be sick, I will have a few spoonfuls a day to prevent it. Also, I store this syrup on our tea bar and make enough to use for about 1 or 2 months. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.